Next stock, RBL Bank, one of the favorite stocks of 2017-18 market rally. In my 2018, I know a lot of people talked about RBL Bank. Of course, bank price, stock price was going down. There was huge activity in the people's mind to buy and sell the stock. It was a trading favorite stock at that time. Prior to that, there was a big run in the stock. Now it is ranking is 25.8 on earnings. Very, very bad. Price, it is just beaten down like mad. 14.3. There are about 85% of companies that is far better than RBL Bank in the market today. In the last 1 year, this company's stock has lost 35%. See the condition in the market. We have stocks that are given about 300-400% returns, while this stock is lost 35%. Underperformance, even with growing income. Actually, banks' income is going up while profits is declining. They are losing heavily on margins. Margins are very thin. With that, survival is very, very difficult. Competition in this sector from leaders are huge. If we have to compete there, they have to give back a lot of leverage. You can see in the market, RBL kind of banks. I will not name the banks because it becomes challenging when we talk about some things and people start hitting us. RBL kind of banks keep giving higher FD rates. See, there is a spread between the bank rate and the borrowing and lending rates. That spread, if they keep on squeezing it by giving more to the deposit holders and lesser to the borrowers, banks cannot survive. People think that, okay, if a bank is giving 7.2% on FD while SBI is giving only 5.5, this is very, very lucrative. You should go see their bank is compromising. They want to lure the depositors by giving 1.5% more FD interest rates, while they can't lend also to a quality borrower. They have to find somebody whose papers are weak so that they can give it a little higher rate. That's where they can make their spread. So when weaker papers are taken, automatically you have higher risk. In RBL Bank, we faced about 3.325 crores of default from the Coffee Day group. Like that, they have several. This became a popular news in the market when Siddhartha died. MFs have been selling the stock from March 20. Retail is loading up. Huge expectation in retail mind. I don't know why this is happening. Time and again, we are seeing this. Retail goes and buys a stock after the run is over. In fact, mutual funds also were late in this stock. Actually, this stock started falling in early 2019 itself. While balance sheet numbers became weak from too weak in March 20. So, of course, MFs are selling, while retail thinking that keeping the previous high price in mind, they are buying the stock. That is not good. Underperforming the peers. We know the peers in private banking. We know the names like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis kind of banks. Among them, this bank is very, very low in performance. Low earnings is bringing even more challenge to the bank. It needs a breakout above 217 or reach below 120 to get attractive. So both are far stretched. I remember we had a position in this stock when we had talked about it when the stock came to buy at 123 and had a target of 320, having a risk of about 65 rupees. There were talks, how come you can think about such big growth? But that was the pattern that the stock had. Of course, that trade closed with a good profit, while it didn't had strength to go beyond 200 rupees. That's the time the stock went to 217. It's lazy for now. Get in once it wakes up and starts running, not now. So RBL Bank, wait. Be cautious if you are putting money into RBL Bank. This is again our view. You can take your choice, make your judgment, and decide on buying. We are just giving our ideas and views on the stock.